So in today's video, we have the AIA beauty box. This is for the month of April. And can I tell you, it feels like nothing's in here. This literally just came, what is today? Today is Wednesday, hump day. It's April 20th, I believe, and it just came yesterday. I got it very late in the month. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is there anything in this puppy? Then keep on watching. All right, so I believe this is like $38 or $39 a month. It is a monthly subscription. I do have a code. It's just Ann in all caps. Saves you some money off. I know sometimes my code works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. And it's taped up pretty good, so let's open her up. I know most of you guys probably already seen what was in here. Like I said, I just literally got this. I said in another video, my boxes are coming later and later in the month, you know? Okay. Oh, there's tape over here too. They really taped this puppy up. It ain't going nowhere. Oh, very quickly, I have been saying this a lot. I do have a second channel. It's called Just Ann's World. And over there, I get a little bit more personal. But I'm very excited because I've been really trying to get my health good, you know. And I'm going to start cardiac rehab soon. But I've been doing a lot of walking. And I'm taking you guys with me. I call it my walk and talks. So if you want to get to know around where I live, see the nature in Jersey. That didn't make sense. Let me try that again. If you want to see my neighborhood, see what Jersey looks like, if you're interested just hearing me talk, I will leave that video down, well, the channel down below, and also my latest video. Check it out, see if it's something that you're interested in. Alrighty. So when you open her up, it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. I just hit myself in the face. I love that quote. Okay. Literally, let me just show you what happened. So here's the card, and I took it out because you guys know I always say it, and here's a little sneak peek, and there's nothing in it. It must be underneath. Yeah, it's underneath, but I was like, what in the world? That was funny. Okay, so this month's theme is Nudestix. So if you don't know, every month they curate with a different brand or influencer that has their own brand. That way you get to try some of the products of the brand to see if you like it, which I think it's great. I mean, we got the Alicia Keys, we got the Keys. So I mean, we had... This is my third video I filmed, and I'm not filming anymore. I am talking so fast that I'm talking faster than what I'm thinking, and I'm slurring and stuttering, and I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. So this is my last video. Anywho, they had some really good collabs, and I really do like this box. I really do. I look forward to it every month, you know. I don't know what next month's going to be. If you do, let me know down below. But this is the Nudestix. Okay. So the first thing we got, I was going to say from Nudestix, is a citrus seed mask and daily moisturizer. I believe, didn't we get something like this in Boxycharm? I'm pretty sure, didn't we or no? Why does this seem familiar? And this is $38. I mean, this right here pays for the whole box. It says a hydrating moisturizer, sleeping mask, and makeup primer all in one. So you can use it for anything that you want. I'd probably use it at nighttime for a moisturizer. So it comes with a safety seal, which we love safety seals. Okay. I don't know why I thought it was going to smell like lemon. It does a little bit, I think. Maybe it's the vitamin C I'm smelling. I don't know. I love the smell of lemon, like lemon candles, stuff like that. I love it. Okay, so it has a yellow tint. Oh, it smells like oranges or lemon or something. I don't know. But I would definitely use this. Even during the day before my makeup, I can definitely see why they say that, especially if you have dry skin. Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely use it for that. I have to get a drink of water. I don't know. But I must have been talking so much that I'm thirsty. Okay, so that's the first thing. The next thing is this puppy, and this is a Lash Lengthening Mascara for $28. And you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So I use 3 to 4. Today I use 3. Love mascara. I go through them all the time. I forgot what I was going to say. I go through them all the time, so I'll never not get a mascara, you know, and I've never tried this before. And it's a lengthening mascara, so I won't like volumize it. So that's what the wand looks like. And I like these wands actually. This reminds me of the wand that I got from AIA Studio, the Shop Miss A that I paid $1 for that I love. That's what the wand reminds me of. Okay, 3 more things. The next thing is this puppy. What you be? What are you? This is Nudies Bronze in Sunkissed for $34. So I think this is this a blush or a bronzer? It says a multitasking balm to create warm bronzing on face, eye, and lips for an easy, what the heck does that say? Easy something look. I don't know. Anyway, so it's in the shade Sunkissed. Okay. All right, so right here you have the brush. Okay. And then you have the, see, is this a blush? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that can't be a bronzer, is it? All right, let's do this. I'm going to put a lot on and then blend. Blend, okay? So let's just see. I mean, it actually blends really nice. Sometimes you get these type of brushes and when you do this, it like takes it all away and you're like, where you be? You know what I mean? But it actually, this actually makes it blend really good. I wonder how easy this will be to clean because, you know, so you don't get that wet, you know? But now that I blended it out, I can see it now. You know, you can use it kind of like a blush and bronzer as once. I wouldn't use it on the lips and your eyes and all that stuff, me personally. But, okay, this is definitely for a paler person. Definitely this shade, you know? All right, and we have 2 more things here. Okay. So this is a lip color, so like a lip pencil in the shade Boho. And this is $26. Wow. Okay. This is a really pretty color. Oh, yeah. I love that color. This will be great. Let's put some orange just to deepen up right here. I'm using a viewfinder. Let me see. Let me get a mirror. I might have it all on my skin and everything. Let's see. Yep. I got it on my skin, see? This is pretty. I like this a lot. That's really nice. I like this. I'll definitely use it. Definitely. Okay, so we have that. And then last but not least, this is $26. And it's a magnetic eye color in Doo-Wop. Doo-Wop. Okay. And let's look at this right here. This will be good like for your inner corner and stuff. Let's put it on my inner corner. Let's just see. Oh yeah, this goes really good with this eye look, the color of it. Oh yes. I like that. I'm going to get close up so you guys can see. I don't know about paying $26 for it, but if you can see, it really brightens up the eye, you know? Oh, I like it. Okay, so let's recap everything that we got in this month's box. So we have this thing, which I'll use it as a highlighter. And you can also use it as a shimmer shade or something like that, or on top of a matte. I can definitely see that. You have the mascara, yes. You have this, I would use it as like a bronzer shade, definitely. I'm definitely going to use it. I was like knocking it before I even tried it. You know what I mean? Then we have this lip color, which I'm definitely going to use this. I really think it's beautiful. And then we have this moisturizer, which I'll definitely use. There's not one thing in here I won't use. Like, I loved everything. I really, really did. So, I'm pleased. If I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 I'm throwing away and a 5, like I'm doing cartwheels, probably about a 4. I definitely, yeah, I think about a 4. A 5 if they had an eyeshadow palette or a blush palette or some type of palette. I don't even know if Nudestix have palettes, but that would make it a 5, you know? But yeah, I really, or a highlighter, if they had a highlighter in here, you know? But anyway, yeah, I really, really enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Do you get AIA? If you did you like these products? Let me know down below. All right, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Leave a comment. Commenting helps me out too. Let me know what you think of this box. What would you rate it if you received this box from a 1 to a 5? Let me know how your day's going. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to check out my second channel. All right, bye, guys. All righty. I have been loving AIA box. I really did. I wonder what next month is. I'm like excited. I need to go look. Let me look.